Do I have another work? No, I'm a streamer. This is my job. I play chess, I mean, semi-professionally, so I do play chess, but oh yeah, this guy likes these Nimzos, so I don't want to allow... I think I'm going to play a Ben Oni. It worked out so badly earlier that I'm going to do it again, and let's see if I can make it work this time. Yeah, let's go here. I think I'm going to play 98 and probably just 95 here. Knight h5 is also a move too, by the way. But I'm going to go for the old school. This is where you sack the rook and you just try to play like bishop h6 and all that other jam. Now I get the wooden shield in the middle of the board here, which is not actually all that special. But I think it's acceptable, shall we say. Now knight f6 is fine. Bishop d7, I believe, is also fine here. I mean, I'm trying to remember. Knight f6, I think there's some queen h4, so I'm just going to go here. Maybe I'll go a6, b5 somewhere, depending. I can always go knight g7 and f5 as well. I might play f5, actually. Well, f5, there's knight e2, knight f4. Still probably okay, but I'll just wait and see what he does. Whoa. Problem is I can't get this knight to e5. I could put this knight on e5, I'd actually be completely fine here. Immediately. But I think I'm going to go knight f... Oh, he goes knight e4, so he's actually provoking me to play f5. I could go bishop f5, actually. If I go bishop f5, this I find it hard to believe I'm actually worse here. I'm wondering about this, actually. Yeah, I'm going to go for it. Unless I'm blundering something very obvious, I'm actually not so convinced that white's okay here. Maybe okay is the wrong word, but white actually has any advantage anymore. Because there's some pressure here. Like, he can maybe go g4, I guess, but... It was queen f3, but this hangs a pawn, I thought. Wait. I go bishop e2, rook b1, bishop e5, knight c5. No, I don't know. This should be fine, I think. Unless I'm... Ah, okay, so he goes knight f2, which there's some merit to that, actually. There's a lot of merit, quite a bit. Let's go back. I can't go to d7 because I have rook b1 taking the pawn. I think I'm okay, though. It feels like I should be okay here. I think I go... Yeah, I think I go here, and I think I'm fine now, actually. I think I'm completely fine. There's like knight d7, knight e5. I mean... My opponent has definitely messed this up. Let's leave it at that. Let's go here. Knight h5 also maybe was a move, but I think I'm fine here. Let's just... Whoops, let's go back. Could also tickle him, but... No, let's just go back and play knight e5 simple chess. Bishop c3 was also a move, but I think bishop c3 gives him rook e2, rook f2, so no point helping him improve the position. Okay, what am I missing? This should be fine for me, I assume. Because now I've got the wooden shield, and I also have, on top of the wooden shield, I also have a pawn in return. I guess I'll just go, I don't know. Everything should be fine here, but I have to be careful how I play this. Like, I think I'm just going to go here. b6 is always a move, but then he gets bishop c6, which I don't love. Maybe I should play h5, h4, and try to lock the dark squares too. But it is what it is. Logical. Now, the reason I didn't like queen f2 is because I think I'm in time here. Oh, but maybe I misplayed. Why did I do this, actually? I'm gonna go here to hit the pawn. I mean, my position's okay, but I'm not super enthused. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I mean, I want to go here in f5 and just attack, but we'll see. Now, do I go bishop a6 or not? I think I should go here to hit the pawn. I think now I'm gonna go here in f5. This is my idea. Like, I want to attack on this side of the board. I've got to try and attack over here. He goes there. So I go f5. What's his move? I go f5. He's going to go a5. Takes. It's hard to judge. I guess I'll go here. I think I'm just going to go for it with f5. Logical, but that doesn't actually do anything. I have h5 here, I think. Hard to judge. The good news is I've stabilized the queen side, so he can't really break on the queen side anymore. I've stabilized it, so it's all going to come down to the king side here. And now I feel like I'm getting somewhere. I have h4. Wait, queen g5 has got bishop d7 or something dirty. Okay, so I'm going to go h4. I expected that. Go here, I guess, and take. I could have taken, but it doesn't look right. Let's go here. Now no bishop d7, because I just take. Maybe I can use the open lane here, like rook here. I'm really trying to press him on time now. There's no rook a. Rook a1's no good. Queen e7. Bishop g3 allows that. Queen e7. Like here. Bishop d4 is a bad move, I think, by the way. But okay, but now there's no way I can ever lose. But I have rook a2. Here. Go here, hit the rook. Bishop c4. Looks fine. Takes, I just made him. Yeah, now I should win the game. Do I take d5 and go rook g3 is also... No, I think I'm just going to go b5 here. Yeah, and he can't take, he still gets ice skater. Go here, takes ice skater time. Do I sack? Okay, I can obviously sack the rook and win with the 2 Bs. Is that what I want to do? That's too memey. Like, I need to win this game. Like, a meme... Yeah, let's just go here. Meming is not what I should do here, because, like, that's just not going to get it done. If I go here... Maybe I should sack. Wait. Why am I so slow? Come on, come on, come on. Okay, now I should win. Wait. Check me. There we go. Woo, tough game. We got the win.